Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be talking about the best lavalier microphone available on Amazon. This is the Boya BY-M1. If you want to know more about this microphone and its pros and cons, please watch the video till the end. As you can see, I'm using this microphone and the quality is pretty decent. Most of the YouTubers right now use this microphone for interviews and A-rolls like me. But the question is, should you buy this microphone? Let's find out. I bought this microphone from Amazon few days back, and honestly I was very skeptical about it. I wondered, is it the price that is making it the best seller in Amazon? But no, I was wrong. It certainly has some great features in it, and one of the great features is its compatibility. Okay, so let's talk about what we get in the box. It is operated with a battery that is provided in the bundle. The switch is to change between camera and phone. Coming to the mic itself, it has an air filter with a condenser and a lapel clip. Also, it has this adapter that is included in the box. And we also get the Boya carrying pouch. Let me even show you the battery that is included. If you ask me about its cons, it could have a better quality. Now, let's do a quick comparison of this microphone with other microphones. Hello, hope you're doing good. This is a microphone test of my Studio Mono microphone. Hello, hope you're doing good. This is a microphone test of my MacBook built-in microphone. Hello, hope you're doing good. This is a microphone test of iPhone built-in microphone. Hello, hope you're doing good. This is a microphone test of Boya BY-M1. See, if I don't speak, it picks up a lot of noise. But when you speak, it enhances the vocals and eliminates the noise. Overall, speaking in terms of pros, this microphone is worth the price. The audio quality is pretty decent in this price segment. However, it picks up noise when you don't speak. But I would definitely suggest you to go for it. You will never regret the choice. The fact that this brand is providing all the accessories required for a microphone bundle makes it a better option. Let me know in the comment section below what are your reviews for this microphone. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.